Hi, kids! It's me, Mazy, and welcome back to Puppet Frenzy. Today we have 3 exciting surprise cones. Red, yellow, and purple. Which one should we open first? Red? That's great! Wowzers, a sea turtle. Some sea turtles can grow up to 6 feet long and over 1,000 pounds. Sea turtles have hard shells to protect them, but they can't retract their heads into their shells like other turtles. Some sea turtles can hold their breath for over 30 minutes. That's a long time. Which one should we open next? Yellow? Great! Whoa, a shark! Sharks have the most powerful jaws on the planet. A shark may grow and lose over 20,000 teeth during their life. Wow, that's a lot of teeth. I don't even have one. Sharks don't have any bones in their bodies. Instead, they have cartilage, just like your ears. Whoa! That hammerhead shark was so cool! Now, let's open the purple one. Neat! An octopus. An octopus has 8 limbs. It can change its color to camouflage itself. And they can release a cloud of purplish black ink to escape a threat. That's so cool. Today we opened 3 surprise cones, and we found a sea turtle, a shark, and an octopus. What do you think all 3 of these animals have in common? You're so smart. They all live in the ocean. Tell me about your favorite ocean animal in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and watch all my videos. Bye!